That is it. Honestly, when I sat down and I was like, I'm gonna do Silver Bells eyeshadow, this is exactly what I wanted it to look like. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today is the first day of Vlogmas with Manders. So welcome if you haven't been here before, and welcome if you're coming back. My name is Manders. This is my channel. We do a lot of makeup related videos. I sometimes do some unboxings, maybe some hauls, usually drop things, and my real passion is eyeshadow. I love eyeshadow more than anything. So today we are doing an eyeshadow tutorial, and it is Silver Bells. So before we get into the tutorial, make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure you ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on my videos for the rest of the month and for as long as I make videos on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and we are going to get right into today's tutorial. To moisturize my face today, we're going to go in with my Wander Beauty. This is the Dive In Moisturizer. It smells like strawberries. I like this stuff a lot. I haven't really used it lately, so get ready for all the fun that will come this month, because I am determined to make Vlogmas a success and post a video every day. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I just said that. I really don't know. Also, I apologize. We are having a crazy winter snowstorm here right now, so the wind is howling in the background. I apologize. I will try and fix that up as much as I can. However, it is super windy, and I'm back in my room now, so the wind likes to howl up here. I am going to prime my face today using my Touch in Sol No Pore Blend Primer. Just gonna take that and I'm just gonna dab it in and just massage into my forehead, my chin, and my cheeks, anywhere where my pores are over exaggerated. I'm super excited to film today's look and also to start this month off the right way. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have anything you would like to see for the month of December for my Vlogmas. I'm probably not going to vlog anything. I'm just going to call it Vlogmas, where I'm going to try and film something for you guys every day. So let me know if there is something you want to see. So now that my face is primed, I'm going to go in with my Rimmel Lasting Finish Foundation. Oh my goodness, what is wrong with me today? I'm just going to take this, and I'm going to use a beauty sponge from Aesthetica. I got this in a babe box, so I will try and link that video down below. I really like this foundation because it comes like with an applicator like this, which I remember when I first got this, I was like, nope. It's grown on me, and I really do enjoy using it. So just gonna one side and then move on to the other. One thing I do really like about this product is that because it comes on a doe foot applicator, I don't use as much product as sometimes I do if it's a pump. That spot doesn't want to cover up, but that's okay. I am having some serious skin issues, so today I'm actually going to be starting a new regimen. I'm going to conceal. I'm going to use a teeny tiny little bit of concealer. Typically don't go in with a lot of concealer, but I am going to use a little bit just for this look because I'm going for it today. So I'm just going to use a little bit of my Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just want to brighten. I'm going to go in with my soft light powder. This is from AOA Studio from Shop Miss A. I really like this stuff. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to dip in with the same sponge, and I'm going to just make sure that all the lines are not creasing before I go in, and we're just going to gently add a little bit of powder under each eye just to really set in where we added that concealer. And I just like to take the whole sponge and just kind of pat it all over. Just set it in. It's a step I don't always take. However, when I am using Shape Tape, I tend to use a little bit more powder. I'm going to take a brush and I'm just going to make sure that all the powder is blended right in. Now, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade Plus Light Contour Kit. I'm going to do a little bit of contouring, not too much. I feel very ghostly white, so I'm really glad I have this. I'm just going to dip into this shade, the first one. I never use this, and I need to use this product more. I'm going to go in the next shade. And now I'm going to take a thin brush and I'm going to just contour my nose. Contour. My nose just a little tiny bit. Not too much. All right, we are contoured. I'm going to bronze next using my butter bronzer. I haven't used this in like what feels like forever. I used to only use the butter bronzer and then I really had to start using some other products. So I'm just gonna grab a BH Cosmetics brush. I really like the shape of this one. This is the 125. This came in the Sculpt 2 kit, I believe. So we're just gonna coat that on there to bronze. Just the most beautiful glow. That's why this is one of my favorite products. It honestly smells so good, but it's just like, I don't know. I love this product so much. I rave about it all the time. Let me know in the comments below what your ride or die product is, because I really do think that this is mine. I am so sorry about the wind. It's funny because I'm sitting here doing this and I don't even notice. Oh yeah, bronzy, bronzy. This is driving me absolutely insane. And so is that wind. Whoa. Next we have a loose blush. This is by Youngblood. This is in Plum Berry. I actually had this sent to me by the beautiful and wonderful Shining Star Soup. So you guessed it, she is today's shout out. So I'm going to list her below. So if you have not already checked her out, please do. She is amazing. I will also link the video of the collabs that her and I did where she actually sent me this product. It's a nice deep dark blush. I really enjoy it, especially for like the winter months. So I figured for today I'm definitely going to do this. So we're just going to tap off the excess. And I'm going to go in and I'm just going to dust this lightly on my cheekbones. The wind is making me crazy. So I'm just going to take a little bit. And we're just going to blend it in.
Very nice. I actually really enjoy this.
Blush a lot. So just like that. I kind of was like going for a really blushy kind of look today, and this one is just the one that I go to for that. So I am going to highlight, and I'm going to use, because this eyeshadow look, I'm calling it my Silver Bells look, I am going to go in with my Ofra highlight, the Madison Miller one, and we're going to bling the crap out of my face. That's what we're going to do. I'm going to take my Luxie brush, favorite highlighting brush ever. Like, look at that. It's got like the perfect shape. So easy to hold. Don't mind my nails. They are horrendous right now. So I'm going to take this and we're going to pop that onto my cheekbones. I can't, this is like the hardest thing to open. That's why I keep making that face, because I'm like trying to open my mirror, because I wasn't prepared when I sat down to film this video, like at all. Surprise, surprise, that happens a lot. So I'm just gonna take it roll. Oh, yeah. You guys see that? Holy smokes. Yeah, yes please. That is just totally what I was going for.
Little there, little there, little there.
Toss this on here. I'm gonna put my brows on later. And holy effing smokes, man. Whoa. Whoa. That is pretty darn blinding. Which is exactly what I wanted. Stop being windy. Alright, so now I'm going to just prime my eyes real quickly using my MAC paint pot. This is in the shade Painterly. I absolutely love using this as my eyeshadow base. Just gives me a little bit easier time to work with most of my shadows. Alright, now I can hear it. It's now freezing rain here. See, like that's the type of forecast that we've got going on. Like the wind's howling, it's snowing. We are at 100% chance of snow for the next 24 hours, I think, or close to it, including freezing rain, all that fun stuff. So I'm just gonna take the same sponge, just make sure that that's all tapped in there really nicely before we go in with our first shadow. So because I am calling this Silver Bells, I thought maybe I'd make it kind of like a smoky, kind of like a dark smoky look with silver. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna go in with a Morphe brush, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here. This is Stellar. So this is my Deck of Scarlet, edition number 6 palette. So if you've never heard of Deck of Scarlet, they are a subscription, a makeup subscription. So it's usually, I think it's monthly now. It was bi-monthly when I received this. They do face palettes. I have received eyeshadow palettes. They've done lipsticks. They've done lots of cool stuff. I'll try and link one of the videos down below. I don't think I've ever filmed using this palette before. Probably because it's been the summer for the most part. This is from last winter. I used to have a subscription to this one, however, I did let it go because I was getting so much stuff. Like, I have so many different subscriptions, so I really wanted to kind of wait. And when I was sitting down this morning and I was trying to decide what I wanted to film with, this palette, for some reason, just kind of, I opened it up and I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what I want to use. So, and I'm just taking my time. These shadows, I love Deck of Scarlet for the most part. However, sometimes they can be a little bit patchy. You do want to take your time. You don't just want to go in with a really heavy hand. You really don't want to do that with anything. But yeah, I find that I really do have to take my time with these to make them look perfect. All right. So I'm really happy with that. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Space. So it's a nice dark matte gray. And I'm just going to put it on the outer edge, like the outer V of my eyelid. A fluffy, clean Luxie brush. It doesn't look clean, but it is. And I'm just going to now buff around those edges, make sure everything's nice and clean, nice and smooth before I do the next step, which is I'm going to dive in with...
Stop shaking. Stop touching things, Amanda.
So this is by Ace Beauty. I received this in a BoxyCharm and I've like never used it, so we're using it. So it is silver because this shade, this look is going to be called Silver Bells. We're popping that bad boy on right there. So this is supposed to be like kind of like a ColourPop dupe, I think. So I kind of like the way that it sits in the pan, and I'm just going to, oh my goodness, that is silver, which is exactly what I wanted. So I am super thrilled. Taking some more. We're going to go in on the other side. awesome. All right. Now I am going to take the first shade that I used on my eyelids on a different brush. And I'm just going to take it and I'm just going to very slowly buff it under my lash line.
Just a little bit. I'm going to curl my eyelashes now.
Mascara today is going to be my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I haven't used this in a while. Like, really excited to bust this bad boy out again. Very, very nice.
I should have probably done this before.
But I'm going to use my Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lip Scrub. This is an orange soda. These are freaking fantastic. Ah! I need to scrub the crap out of my lips right now.
Yeah, pretty flippin' delicious.
Before I do any lipstick, I'm going to use my Young Living Vanilla Mint Lip Balm.
What the frig?
Alright, we're going to put some brows on. This is by Sleek Makeup. I actually am digging this. Like, I got this in some sort of box. Can't remember which one, but I got it in something, and I have been loving it lately. So it's got a spoolie on one end. I really like the design. Like, it's very sleek, like Sleek Makeup. See what I did there? Crazy. So I am just going to very quickly fill in my brows, just give a little bit of extension, a little bit more life to them. I really don't go for like a real cut brow. I'm old. I'm 34. Like, it's just not, it doesn't suit me to have like boxed in brows, so I really just like to soften them up. And there we go. For lips today, I'm going to use my Kate Rimmel lipstick in the shade 8. It's pretty exciting. Pretty exciting name. I haven't worn lipstick in like so long, like at all. So even in my videos, I haven't been putting lipstick on because I'm so like, I just haven't been enjoying it. But I love this lipstick so much, and I haven't seen it in a while, and I just was kind of going through my stuff today. So I found it, so I was like, yeah. Oh yeah, that is perfect. That is like my perfect favorite shade. I just love it so much. I am going to just dip into my Appeal Cosmetics. This is the holographic lip gloss. I love this stuff. I actually was sent another one of these in a babe box, and I was super pumped about it.
Just really want to juice them up like that.
And that, my friends, is the end of day 1 of Vlogmas. So let me know in the comments below what you think of my Silver Bells eyeshadow look and what you want to see this month for Vlogmas from me. I am super excited to do it, and I absolutely love hanging out with you guys. So thank you so much for being here with me, and I will see you tomorrow.